Hi everyone. Well, it's fall. And so your flowers are probably looking, ready to be pulled out like mine are. But I want to save some seeds. And so I have some flowers that I'd like to show you how to save seeds on today. So one of my favorite flowers is the zinnia. And so here you can see a very, healthy zinnia. This is a zinnia that's getting ready to die. We've got some that are in the process of dying. A lot of people think that it's all of these petals that have a flower seed. That's not true. It's actually just these bottom layers. So when you see a zinnia like this, these things are not seeds. That's just like chaff on it. So it's not actually seeds. When you go to one that's actually dying, like this one, you'll see these bottom layers right here. And when you pull them out, this black triangle right here is the zinnia seed. So that is what you want to dry and save out of your favorite zinnias so that you can start planting them early next year, or just dry them and throw them down, that sort of thing. So that's a zinnia seed right there.